right now I'm going inside the market to stock my house. So as usual, I normally do this every month. So just get to stock the house to, you never know what. Just like nobody ever prepared for coronavirus to happen, but the pandemic happened and everybody has to be indoors. So I normally stock my house. I'm not the type that do eat much outside apart from meetings or every other things. I'm not the type that normally eat outside, so we normally eat indoors. So today I want to stock my house at my closest market. The closest market to my house is actually Abeka, so because I live around La Paz. So join me in, let me show you how I normally do it every month. So come along with me, so let's see how we do it here. Okay, right now I'm at the car market. The first stop is my Nigerian market. So there's a Nigerian market here. Right now, so we are at my favorite Nigerian market where I normally get things that are not easily to get. You know, as a Nigerian living in Ghana, sometimes you just feel like tasting home, tasting something that you can't get in Nigeria, in Ghanaian market. So normally I come here to buy custard that is not really maybe popular in the market, and also there is a special semo which give me that taste of home. So I normally come here to get it. As you can see, there's a Nigerian flag up there showing that this particular store is for Nigerian market. So in case you also need to get something, to get a taste of Nigeria, you want to buy Nigerian food, you can easily come here and get it for yourself. So right now I'm here to buy semo. So I still have some custard at home. I have not finished my custard, the last one I bought. So I'm only going to get semo here. So semo vita, so it's also, okay. No, the big one, how much is it? So how much is it?
Now it's 22.
Now it's 22. Wow. So this is now 22 Ghana cedi, which is about how much in dollars? That is about $3 thereabouts. 3 times, no, that is about $4 now. So the dollar is now almost 6 cedi to $1. So 6 times 4, that is 24, almost equivalent to $4. So if you are out there and you want to taste this, you can come here and get that as well. So I'm going to get this. As you can see, there are so many items here. There is stockfish, there is different things that is not really common in Ghanaian market, but when you come right here at Nigerian market, you definitely get this. Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's go, let's check other things I normally buy in the market anytime I'm here. Potato. I love this, so I'm going to get some potato here. Okay. So how much is it? 5. Thank you. So this, I got potato for 5 Ghana cedi. So what again do I need here? Okay. 14 cedis. Yeah. Wow, nice. The last time I bought is 12 cedis.
12 cedis. Now everything costs.
Now everything costs. Wow. That's serious. So the last time I bought this was 12 cedi, but now it's 14 Ghana cedis. So I'm going to get one of these. Thank you. Okay. I think now it's time to get some frozen food. Yeah, let's go. Well, this thing's getting heavy. Some fish, get some meat, chicken. Okay, so I am right here. I'm going to get some chicken here, fish, meat. So let me place my order. Okay, boss. I need chicken. Yeah, 2 kilo. No, I need. Is it the drum? Yeah, drumstick. Yes, drumstick 2 kilo. I need salmon 2 kilo. I need intestine 2 kilo. Then what is face 2 kilo. So I just place order for chicken, fish, and meat. So 2 kilo each. So let's see how much total is going to cost me. got these two parcels. I got frozen food here, then I have other items here. The total of this cost me roughly about $30. That is yeah, that is about $30. so closely. So let's see, at least this should last us for about 2 to 3 weeks as a 4 family. So let's go. That is the end of the market today. This is how I shop for my family in my local market. Madam. How much is it?
15 cedis, 10 cedis.
Huh? This one is 20. Green ones. Yeah. So, madam, why not let me give you 20 for the 2? I'll take the 220. Okay. So, can I get rubber to put? Yeah, I'm getting some plantain here. Getting this and this. So these two, I think because of the season, so it's a little bit cheaper now. These two goes for 20 Ghana cedi. So initially she said 25, but I was able to price it to 20 cedis. Come on, you can see I'm doing great.